In this tutorial, we will see how to configure XAMPP on Windows machine and how to customize the HTTPS port from 80443 to custom ports on XAMPP installed on Windows machine. And I have the article written here that will have all the steps to configure XAMPP and install XAMPP on Windows machine. I'll share the link for the same in the description. Let's get started. First, we'll try to download the XAMPP from this particular link. This is the Windows Server machine. I'm going to fetch the XAMPP package. Package is downloaded. Let's try to install the XAMPP. If you're running the XAMPP on Windows Server, or if you're trying to install the XAMPP on Windows Server machine, make sure you do not have IIS running on port 80 or 443. If you have IIS running on 8443, then make sure you customize the port from 80 to any other custom port for XAMPP. Otherwise, the services will fail, and I'll show that in some time. So on my Windows server, I do not have any IIS services running. So I do not have any collision with 80 and 443 port. But in case you have, then make sure you customize the port from 8443 to some other custom port. Once you start the installation, you will get this warning. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next, and this will install the XAMPP. This will take some time. Seems like the installation is complete. Now let's try to move on to the next step. So we want to start the control panel now. This is the control panel that you will see. So you will see this error message often. And to fix the error message, you will have to do one thing. Close this. Go back to the application again. Run it as administrator. Now let's try to do that again. And you will see that the services we have running in active state with 8443 and MySQL. Let's try to start that. I do not require FileZilla, Tomcat, etc. So I'm not going to start that. And you can see here, I'm able to launch the Apache server and MySQL server. To access that, you can click on admin. That will open up the website. Let me try to open this in my Mozilla browser. So this is the XAMPP server. And this will open up the admin page for the MySQL, where you can create the database and other parameters. Let me try to show you how you can customize the port from 80443. To change the port from 80443 standard port to any other custom port, you will have to click on config, click on Apache httpd.config, search for 80 and replace 80 with 8080. For example, save the file. Similarly, do this for httpd SSL config, search for 443, change the listening port from 443 to 4433, save the configuration file, go back to the control panel, click on config, go to service and port setting. Now here you will have to specify the same port 8080. For SSL port it is going to be 4433. Click save. Save. Now stop the Apache service and restart the Apache service. Go back to the Firefox and now try to access the same website. We'll try to access it from HTTP first. You can see here I'm able to access the website using 8080 HTTP. Now let's try to access it using HTTPS. And you can see here I'm able to access the website using HTTPS custom port, which is 4433 as well. That's all in this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.